All right, guys, let's get started today once again. It's been an awesome day. It's been an awesome week. So, as it is with me and my custom, I'd like to start by first of all thanking my greatest mentor and master, Yeshua Hadonai, for his abundant grace. I also want to thank each and every one of you for taking out your time, as always, out of your tight schedule to be with us today. I do not take that for granted. I appreciate sincerely from the deepest depth of my heart each and every one of you for all your commitments and dedication. All right, so let's roll. Let's get to the subject of today. I remember last time I talked to us, and of course, I want to say this because of some of you who are a kind of struggling with the market, right? Some of you who, at one time or another, you have had some kind of horrible experiences, excuse me, in the industry. I want you to know that everything is possible, and my heart goes out sincerely to help each and every one of you. I have some emails here today. I think I'm going to be able to open them up and we'll look at them. Right here now we have a chart of today's market, but I'm going to get to the emails and we'll be able to look at some of them. So please, I want you to understand that everything is possible in life, even in this business, right? Everything is possible if you can just believe and work at it. Pay the price. Pay the price. I told us last time that success is not a gift. Mastery is not a gift. It is not. You have to pay the price. You have to make the sacrifice. You have to be committed. You have to be dedicated, right? You have to do all that you necessarily need to do to succeed. Make up your mind to pay the price. Make up your mind to sacrifice, and you will get there. I am here to help. Honestly, I am here to help. Any one of you out there under the sound of my voice right now, you're watching by the internet or some other ways or platforms or social media handles, I want you to know that everything is possible. And those of you who are committed and also connected with us here, you know exactly what we are talking about. We are not playing games here. This is a serious business, and seriously, we are working at it. And that's one of the reasons why we are making the progress we are making here. So, another thing I want to talk to us about is this. Why you learn the skill, you go through the process, cultivate the discipline. Okay, there is a place of divine enabling. Did you hear what I said now? There is a place of divine enabling. You need to seek for that divine enabling. So you need power, right? You need grace. You need favor. One day of favor can change a whole year of labor. Did you hear what I said now? You need it. You need people, you need ideas, you need principles, you need to understand the systems. Remember, I told us that what we are doing here, it's much more than just the conversion of one country's currency into another at a certain rate with a certain gain. It is much more than that. It's part of that, but this is a programmed system, and there is a certain psychology and rule attached to it. This you must understand if you must succeed in this industry. Don't take this for granted. Don't take this for granted. So I want to really help us, and I want to know where you are struggling. We have to identify exactly what is the problem. We have to do a kind of a design or systematic thinking to that which it's failing you, to find out exactly what is the problem. And we begin to know exactly how to handle it. As far as we are concerned in this industry, whether you are doing cryptocurrency, short term or long term, whether you are doing foreign exchange or e-commerce, or whether you are doing stocks or indices, we are here to help, and our strategies are truly working. Our trading styles and techniques are really doing well. It depends exactly what your purpose is. What do you really want? What do you really want? What is most important in what you're doing in these times and seasons? What's your goal? What do you want to achieve? We want to help you. We want to help you. Touch base with us. Touch base with us. So it's not everything I'm going to be sharing out here. I've always made this known to us, right? There are things that are for the insiders, and there are things that are for the outsiders. There are things that the insiders will enjoy, and the outsiders might not get to enjoying that. Okay, I'm honest with myself, and I like being honest with people. We are not playing games here. This is a serious business, like I said before, and we are seriously working at it. So please and please, I want you to understand this. I want you to understand this. So now, before I get into what I really want to share with us today, I want to say this again. I want to say this again. There is one thing in the market that price respects. Now, I say it again. Price is king in the market, and price does not respect you. In all the financial markets, whether long term or short term, price does not respect you. Price doesn't respect the size of your trading account. Price doesn't respect all those your indicators. Some of you are parading up and down. I'm grateful to God for those indicators. Some of them are good. Some of them are not really that good. I've tested so many of them, right? But I've discovered some tiny few that are really helping us to achieve our purposes here. You do not trade the indicators alone. They support your confirmations. And there are rules to even using some of them that are truly working. I'm grateful to God and to every man and woman who is sacrificed to coming up with any of those indicators. We do not take it for granted. And those of you who have been using them, you can attest to the fact that this is good or this is not good. So I believe in you practicing. Okay, put it into practice. Over a period of time, you will know for sure whether it is good for you or not. Well, this is my own opinion. It's subject to review. So now, please, I want us to understand this. Price is king in the market. There is one thing, amongst other things, there is one thing that price respects in the market. And this is one thing every trader is seeking for in this industry. And when you find it, you will have peace for your life. This is, well, I think, let me put it this way. I've been trying to let us understand this. Okay, this is one thing that helps you to trade peacefully. You can trade with peace. And this is one of the things I want to communicate to everybody. There is need for peace in your life. There is need for you to trade with peace. Stop being rattled up and down. Stop being troubled up and down. Stop struggling. Stop struggling. I hate seeing people struggle. Why they struggle? Why? If you know what to do, the right thing to do, at the right time to do it, for the right reason, do it and have your peace. Do it and have your peace. So I want people to trade with peace. And I want people to make consistent profits. That's one of our core values and what we are seeking for every day in all that we do in this organization. So there is one thing that price respects in the market, and we have it here. The one thing that helps you to work in agreement with the price, so that when the market is buying, you are buying. When the market is selling, you are selling. And that is what every investor or trader is seeking for in this industry. Because there is what is called market manipulation, whether you like it or not. And one of the things that it does is to make you buy when you're supposed to sell, and to make you sell when you're supposed to buy. It's out there. All kinds of sentiments are being created in the market space. So this is one thing that guides you to making the right decisions per time and purpose within the market space. It doesn't matter any of the financial instruments that you are investing on, or you are trading on, or you are, dealing with. I want you to understand this. Everything. Listen. I want you to know this. Everything is possible. Everything. If you can just believe and work at it. At first, it may seem difficult, which is true, until it is done. People may look at you and say, oh, come on, it's crazy. What is he talking about? But test, and you will see that what I'm telling you is the truth, right? So please, I want to encourage us. And it's not everything I'm going to be doing here today that will be put out on the internet, okay? We might just take out some few minutes, and the rest we're going to be doing it in-house. So please, I want everybody now, first of all, I want to get to the emails and know exactly, because I've received some mails and some questions I would like to attend to. Okay. Some questions I would like to attend to. Now, this one is coming from this is Nicholas. One moment, please. Let me see. Okay. Now, all right. So please, I want you to understand this, please. Our sessions, we have sessions in the morning. It's asking the time of our session. But please, I want you to understand this. You need to register with us. Okay? You need to register with us. Let me see. You need to register with us, because if you don't register with us, you might not be allowed to access the room. Okay? We have classified rooms. So it depends exactly the level that you are and really what you are doing with us. If you're just a visitor, we know that you're a visitor. If you are a committed and registered visitor, we know. If you're just passing by, you just want to stop by to see exactly what's going on, we know. So I want you to register with us. Now, Nicole, you are asking our time of meetings. We do open in the morning, okay? We have our time in the morning, we have our time in the afternoon, and at times in the evening. Okay. And oh, this is already 50 minutes. I don't want this thing to be more than 50 minutes. So now we're going to take it out for those of you who are going to be watching or who are already watching from wherever you are watching from online. We're going to take that out and we'll continue. Okay. So I think I've answered you. We have our sessions in the morning, we have afternoon, and we have our sessions at times in the evening. Register with us and we will send you across our timetable. Okay? Yeah, you're going to benefit from it. No problem about that. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. I think we just have to continue. This is going to be our in-house, program for the rest of the registered members. Okay? All right. So, thank you. I bless you. God bless you.